Hello everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we're in the community of Audubon, which is located in Magnolia, Texas, which is just a little bit north of Houston. Now, this beautiful home that we are viewing is built by Drees Custom Homes and it's called the Brookdale 2. Now, the Brookdale 2 is a two-story, four-bedroom, 4.5 bath home. Now, this one is going to be so big because, of course, it's a model home. So they've added additional bells and whistles. They've added an extra media room upstairs, and they've also added an extra bedroom, which they've converted into a gym. This home that we're viewing is going to be 4,200 square feet, but the starting square footage of the normal Brookdale 2 is going to be around 3,500. The starting price is going to be $898,000. Now, if you have any questions regarding this home, this community, or any other real estate questions, make sure you leave them in the comment section below and I'll be more than happy to answer those questions for you. If you were wondering about the schools that this home is going to be zoned to, this community has two different school zones. One is called the Creekside North and one is called Creekside South. Now, the new elementary school is going to come this fall of 2024 is Audubon Elementary, and Creekside South and Creekside North individuals will all go to this one elementary school. But once you start going to your intermediate school, junior high, and high school, you want to know which school you'll be zoned to. So if you are classified as Creekside North, you will be going to Bear Branch Intermediate, Bear Branch Junior High, Magnolia High School. If you are Creekside South, you will be zoned to Magnolia Intermediate, Magnolia Junior High, and Magnolia West High School. So remember, before you sign that contract, always ask the salesperson which school you'll be zoned to make sure you're zoned to the right school. But also understand that this is a community that is continuously building, so they could be adding more schools that are on site, or it could be additional schools that your children might be zoned to further down the line. Make sure you do me a big favor and hit that like, subscribe, and that bell to be notified of new weekly videos. Enjoy the tour.